say goodbye to inflexible subscription plans that catch you off guard every month. The Ucook Meal Kit subscription offering is so flexible, it allows you to choose your delivery day, as well as pause or skip your meal kit order altogether. This plan was designed to meet your needs, because we know how unpredictable life can be. Activating your meal kit subscription means you'll receive a meal kit box every week. Remember to pick your meals before billing every Wednesday at 9 a.m. by visiting the meal kit tab on our website and choosing your favorite 2, 3, or 4 dishes. We'll deliver your order on your chosen delivery day. If you're going away for the week or want to pause your meal kit subscription, simply log into your Ucook account, visit the subscription tab, and click Pause Your Subscription. Our meal kit subscription is designed to be as flexible and as convenient as possible to suit your lifestyle.